Okay, so we're going to move into what we call a hip hinge. Okay, this is probably one of the harder movements to do, although it seems really simple. So we got the club touching us in 3 points. So turn your back towards the camera real quick. Let me see how you're holding it. So we got one hand holding it down here right about the waist, one hand just below the head, kind of the neck area. But the club is touching his head, his mid-back, and kind of the top of his sacrum. All right, so let's kind of turn back around that way. So our goal is going to be for him to bend forward. Yeah, good, and back up. Okay, so that was pretty good. We had a lot of knee bending, okay? So your knees can bend, but I don't want you to squat, okay? So think about, come back up for just a second.
Yep.
So that one, you were starting out perfect there. So think about unlocking your knees first. There you go. And your first move, even before you bend over, is for your bottom to go backwards and the weight to go to your heels. Okay. There you go. And now we're pushing down. His chest faces the ground, and then come right back up. Okay. Where do you feel that?
Hamstring?
Yep, absolutely. Good. Some people may feel this in the low back. We don't necessarily want it. Now it's activating the muscles in the low back, trying to keep yourself from kind of caving in here. But really this is kind of a hamstring stretch, and the hamstrings are engaging. Good. Let's just do 5 of them, and then let's actually show some of the common faults that we see with this. So if you can not bend the knees quite as much. It's not a big deal if you do. There you go. It's just more of bending forward at the hips. Yep, that's it. You got good range of motion with your hamstrings. So some people will not be able to go near as far as you're doing. They'll be right there, and they're going to be feeling super tight right down here, and that's it. That's all they have to go. Okay. So one of the things we'll see, and this is what the club is there for. So this time, kind of bend a little bit more in the back. So flex here. There you go. And so the clubs either come off of his head or off of his low back. All right, come back up. So that's going to be one of the things that you see. So over and over, you're trying to cue the club touching your head, mid back, and right here. Good. If it comes off, you come back up and you start over. Okay. So keeping the head up, that's going to have you looking probably out in front of you a few feet. So you're not really looking straight down. There you go. Good. Good job. So that's what it is. We call it a hip hinge. Use a club for a little bit of kind of what we call tactile cues.
Right.